eh. Ginawan mo.
100.
Sore nga ni.
Ipon.
Kaya ito tapos ng
Larga
babaw.
ta. Are mo palakaw pa pala, napalakaw lang.
Masan na yan?
I'm Joanne. I'm Maya. Dayon ka mo, welcome to Bajan Kawasan Falls Nature Park. Just a few reminders. You can only visit at the first level of the falls, not the second and the third because it's part of the canyon area. And if you want to go to swim, we have a free life jackets. It's already at the falls and it's mandatory. You have to wear it while swimming. You can stay for 3 hours, maximum time at the waterfalls.
We don't have any toilet up there. Our toilet is only at the registration area. But you can inquire to the fourth store beside the souvenir store. They have private toilet. And our public advisory, no smoking, no vandalism, no littering, no rice mills and liquors inside the Kawasan Falls, no trash and no diving. If you have any further questions, you can ask any of our staff to help and assist. Enjoy, explore, and experience breathtaking Bajan, love the Philippines. Mabuhay! Congratulations!
是要走过去是，走过去可以那么丢。
Manu tag kakak dari ba?
Susunod ito. Ito na.
Oh, cuyo dito yo.
Hey, Bron. Bomba.